Mental health and well-being is a key priority for us in Scotland's Railway, and what we have here is a bench that gives the opportunity for people to sit down and take time out, have a conversation with somebody, or just take time for themselves when they're feeling overwhelmed.
Network Rail, ScotRail, staff, everybody who's been involved has been really keen to get this going, and I think it shows how caring everybody within the partnership in Scotland's Railway is.
ScotRail staff, it's so important. They're the people that are on the ground, working this station day after day. It's advocating to the people that use this station and to others that are passing by that mental health is everybody's business. It's okay not to be okay, and should you need to speak to someone about your distress or about something that's causing you concern, there are people there that can help you.